Why is salt always the #1 ingredient in snack sticks, summer sausages, and other cured sausage seasonings? Well, salt is used in meat processing in pretty much every product from steaks to boudain. It can reduce the bitterness of certain flavors and it improves the overall taste of meat. But salt has many more functions in sausage making than just flavoring the meat. Salt is sodium chloride. The sodium is what gives us the flavoring and the chloride is what gives us most of the rest of the functions. It's been used for thousands of years as a preservative, and it is still one of its main functions. It retards the growth of food-spoiling microbials, and it inhibits pathogens, thus increasing the shelf life of your sausage. Now, this is especially true when you use it in conjunction with nitrates. Salt also can increase the water holding capacity of the meat by shifting the isoelectric point, giving you a more tender, juicy product and increasing your final yield. You won't get this result from rubbing salt on the outside of a steak though. It has to be mixed into the meat like you would with sausage. Perhaps the most important function in sausage making though is that it aids in binding and emulsifying your meat. It does this by helping to solubilize the myofibrillar proteins inside of the muscle. Try to get protein extraction sometime on meat that has not had any or even not just enough salt added. You're going to have a very hard time if you can even do it at all. And protein extraction is key because this is what keeps the fat, water, and other additives bound up with the protein. Without it, your fat's going to render out of the sausage during the cooking process and you're going to end up with a dry, tasteless product. Overall, salt is used in meat products for the flavor enhancement, preservation, and shelf life benefits, plus for the benefits in binding proteins and adding water holding capacity. If you have an idea for a Meat Fact Friday or if you have a question you want answered, drop us a line at meatgistics.com.